You didn't see the fine print. No one handed you a contract. But somewhere along the way, you signed it. It wasn't signed with a pen, but with every yes to a soul-crushing deadline, with every "I'm fine" when you were burning out. This agreement whispers a simple, devastating lie, that this is as good as it gets, that your dreams are a luxury you can't afford. And the price? It's deducted daily from your potential. Let's read the clauses you agreed to without knowing. Clause 1. The trade. You agreed to trade your time, your most non-renewable resource, for a predictable but limited amount of money. You were taught to be a diligent employee, but never taught how to make money work for you. Clause 2. The path of least resistance. The safe path, the don't rock the boat path. It's a path designed by a system that needs cogs, not kings. It kills the most dangerous thing of all, your ambition. Clause 3. The identity lock. You agreed to let your job title define your worth. You became the accountant, the manager, the salesperson, instead of the innovator, the creator, or the founder. You sold your identity for a label. But there's a breach of contract clause. It's triggered not by a lawyer, but by a realization. The realization that the greatest risk is not failing. It's getting to the end of your life and realizing you never truly lived. The system is broken, but you are not. The new wealthy, the new successful, they are the contract breakers. They didn't ask for a seat at the table. They built their own. This is the ambit edge. So, how do you breach the agreement? You rewrite it line by line. Stop trading just time for money. Start packaging your knowledge, your skills, your unique perspective into products, services, and systems that scale. This is the foundation of entrepreneurship. The path to 10x growth is never a straight line. It's a series of intentional detours, failures, and course corrections. Your failure rate is your learning rate. You are not your job. You are a problem solver, a creator, a builder. Start introducing yourself as the CEO of your own life and ambitions, even if you're the only employee. This is your new agreement. It's written in the language of action, not compliance. It's signed with your courage, not your conformity. It states that you will build a legacy, not just a living. And on this channel, Ambit Edge, we provide the blueprint. We talk about the real strategies, how to validate your business idea in 48 hours, how to negotiate like a billionaire, how to build a brand that your customers love. This is your arsenal. That silent agreement held you back for years. It ends today. The first step to building your own table is to learn how. Hit subscribe, because every video on this channel is another tool, another strategy, another step towards the life you signed away. Don't just watch this video and go back. This is your moment. Subscribe now. Let's build your legacy.